Hi folks, my name is Carl and welcome to my channel. So this is the Raw Facts Canada channel that is dedicated to providing the absolute raw facts about moving to Canada and life here. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the like button on this video as well. All right. Now for today's video, we have been talking about express entry as one of the best routes to Canada. And I'm talking about how you can boost your express entry profile and stuff like that. We have also been talking about the provincial nomination programs that are run by the provinces themselves, and that can also give you extra points to apply for the express entry. Okay, now if you're interested in the express entry pool, then there is good news for you. Now, the province of Saskatchewan that runs their own provincial nomination program known as the SINP. On August 30, just introduced two new immigration streams in their SINP. Now, these two new immigration streams are for agriculture and healthcare workers. So if you are in this field, that's good news for you. So I'll be reading excerpts of the communication that came out from the province. But I'll also be providing links to it in the video description so you can check it out for yourself. Now, it says that Saskatchewan introduces new immigration streams for agriculture and healthcare workers. Saskatchewan continues to align its immigration program with current labor market needs, and these new pathways will attract international skilled workers with industry-specific experience to fill in-demand jobs in healthcare and agriculture. So if you are in any of these fields, well, good news for you. Now, on agriculture, it says agriculture is the backbone of the Saskatchewan economy, and the new agriculture talent pathway will enable producers to access the talent they need to continue feeding the world, growing the value of exports, increasing value-added agriculture, and harnessing new technologies and innovations. This pathway will help meet the increased demand for labor to fill in-demand and emerging jobs in the agriculture industry. Okay, so great news. Now for healthcare, it says the new health talent pathway will support the government of Saskatchewan's Health Human Resources (HHR) action plan, as the SINP is an important resource for the healthcare sector to recruit and retain skilled workers. All healthcare recruitment through the SINP will be consolidated and streamlined under this single stream. And then it goes on to say, for more details on the agriculture talent pathway, visit the link. I will put in the link in the video description. And then for more details on the health talent pathway as well, there's a link, so I'll be putting the link in the video description as well, so you guys can check it out. Now, we already spoke about this in the beginning of the express entry series, that if you do get a nomination from a province or get nominated by a province, it gives you 600 points for the express entry pool. So you might want to consider that, because it pushes you to the very top where you get picked quickly. Are there any implications if you come through the PNP, any of the provincial nomination programs? Not necessarily, but please keep in mind that if you come in through the PNP, most of the provinces, if not all of them, have a requirement that you would need to live in that province for a minimum of 2 years. Okay, so if you come in through the Saskatchewan nomination program, Saskatchewan Immigration Nomination Program, the SINP, then you'd have to live in Saskatchewan for 2 years. That's just the requirement. If you come to the Ontario PNP, you have to live in Ontario for 2 years. So that's just a requirement. But after 2 years, you're free to move around, right? So that's the only thing I want anybody that's applying to keep in mind. Don't apply for the SINP and then intend to land and move straight to Ontario. Okay, no, you have to stay in Saskatchewan for a while. Okay, all right, I hope this video has been useful to you. Share and like the video as well. If you're yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing. See you in the next one. Bye.